This stylish Smeg electric induction range cooker provides an array of cooking options, including 5-zone induction hobs and 2 ovens with integrated and separate grills, perfect for versatile cooking. With a powerful 5-burner induction hob, you have the space needed to comfortably rustle up large meals using several pots and pans at the same time, perfect for when you're cooking for dinner parties. With 2 large ovens, you have a generous 123-litre capacity to easily prepare large and versatile recipes. The Circulaire cooking function will also provide an even heat distribution throughout the tool cavity, so you can avoid transferring flavours across dishes as you cook. Perfect for when you're cooking a large meal for friends and family. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning thanks to the Vapour Clean function and Easy Clean enamel liners, which prevent mess from burning onto your oven walls. So all you have to do is wipe away any residue with a damp cloth. You'll spend less time cleaning and more time preparing the food you love. The Smeg Symphony is perfect for those who want to create professional dishes from the comfort of your own kitchen. With tons of versatility, this oven will let you cook the way you like.